The latest Washington drama came on a wild day for Wall Street as the Dow Industrials had another 400-point swing but finished the day up more than 1%. CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is at the New York Stock Exchange with the latest on that roller coaster ride and a look at what's in store today. Rebecca, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Chris.
Twofold first question for you. Europe obviously has helped destabilize the markets for weeks. How are they looking this morning in Europe? And yesterday, such a crazy day on Wall Street in bear territory for much of the day before a late day rebound. What happened yesterday?
Yeah, Chris, what you're seeing right now is very reactionary, very jumpy markets. And right now what you're seeing in Europe is a continuation of yesterday's upside momentum that we saw here in the United States. Across the board in Europe, things are looking very positive this morning, whereas in Asia, things are looking quite negative. And the reason that that positivity is concentrated in Europe is because the mere mention yesterday that European policymakers are going to be addressing the bank situations. We've been talking about this, the debt problems that the banks in Europe face. There was a mere mention, a report that perhaps they've gotten their act together in Europe and they're going to address those problems at the banks, helped send things higher in Europe as well as here in the United States.
Yesterday, quickly, Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke spoke before Congress's Joint Economic Committee, talked about the U.S. economy, there's a recovery close to faltering right now. What type of effect do comments like that have?
Well, what it says about things here in the economy is what we already know, that things aren't good. But what it says about what the Federal Reserve will do about the economy is that we may see a new, fresh round of stimulus from the Fed. And what we've seen in their previous rounds is that it has sent stocks higher, but it has also sent things like gasoline and grocery costs higher as well, Chris. So it's very controversial.
All right, CBS's Rebecca Jarvis down at the New York Stock Exchange for us this morning. Rebecca, thank you.